which is found in eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. This soil is formed by the denudation of igneous and metamorphic rocks. This soil can be used to grow rice, pulse, sugarcane, and the soil is rich in iron. And this soil also deficiency in nitrogen and humus, lime. So these are the products which is deficient in this type of soil. Then comes the laterite soil, which is acidic porous. This soil is formed by leaching by rainfall. This soil is found in Western Ghats and Shillong. This soil is used to grow coffee, rubber and cashew. And this soil is rich in iron, and this soil is also has deficiency in lime and potash. Then comes the arid soil, which is formed by withering of rocks. Withering of rocks is breaking down of rocks. This soil is rich in salt. This soil is also having deficiency in humus. And this soil can be used to grow dates, melon, bajra. And this soil is usually found in Rajasthan, Punjab, Gujarat. And then comes the forest soil, which is found in rainforests and hill areas. And this is usually acidic in nature and deficiency is in humus. Next topic is soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The topmost fertile region of a soil is taken away by other factors. That is called as soil erosion. The denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down is called as soil erosion, which is nothing but due to heavy rainfall, due to flood, due to over irrigation, and due to natural disasters, the topmost fertile region of a soil is washed away. That is called as soil erosion. This can be due to natural and human factors. The process of soil formation and erosion go on simultaneously, and generally there is a balance between the two. So if you see what are the human and natural factors, human factors are nothing but deforestation and overgrazing. Deforestation is cutting of trees. When there is huge number of trees cut, it causes soil erosion because the root has the capacity to withhold the soil. But during deforestation, we are uprooting the whole tree from the root. So the soil there becomes very loosely packed, and then it is getting easily washed away. Then because of overgrazing. Overgrazing is when the domestic animals pluck the plants from the soil, from the deep root. It starts making the soil very loose in that region, so that it causes soil erosion. The natural factors includes wind and glaciers, etc. What are the types of soil erosion? This is gully erosion and sheet erosion. Coming to soil conservation, what are the different methods by which you can conserve soil? Contour ploughing. This is ploughing around the contour lines to decelerate the flow of water down the slopes. Contour ploughing is nothing but